Hello everyone, myself Shravanti. Today I am going to explain about whole part. First we have to know what is meant by whole part. Whole part is an idea of the whole part pattern is to introduce a component that encapsulates smaller objects and prevents clients from accessing these constituent parts directly. Define an interface for the aggregate that is the only means of access to the functionality of the encapsulated objects, allowing the aggregate to appear the semantic unit. And here we can run the program whole part. For that I am using NetBeans as IDE, and here we have to go for file, then we have to select new project. In that new project we have to select Java and Java application because it's a Java application. Then next, and here we have to give the project name. Here I am taking project name as whole part 13, and next finish. After finishing we can create a new project, and by after that we have to go for whole part 13. In that we have to select the source. In that we have to select the source packages. In source packages we have to select new. In new we have to select JApplet because it is a Java applet. And now here the header files like import javax.swing. Import javax.swing is nothing but it provides a set of lightweight components to maximum degree possible work the same of all platforms. Java Swing border provides classes and interface for drawing specialized. Java AWT is nothing but abstract window toolkit and import java.aw.event package. An object of the class represents a high level action event generated by an AWT component, and java.util is nothing but util package. It contains collection of frameworks. And public class whole part it extends to JApplet, implements action listener. And then we have to take a button, so that we are using button here, and we want two text fields for adding and for giving the input. Text field, text file input, and text file output. One text field for input and another is for output. And we are creating a button called JButton, and we have to add we are giving the name as add. And sorted set is nothing but to sort the elements which are in proper way equals to new tree set. Then public void init, here we have to initialize that. And try is an exception handling. Swing utilities dot invoke and wait. Invoke later is used to perform a task asynchronously in AWT event dispatcher thread. That invoke and wait is used to perform task synchronously. New runnable, we have to run the file, so that new is an keyword which is used. New is an keyword. And next, public void run. To run another function we are using called public void run. Sort is a function which is used to sorting that elements. And next, then catch is an exceptional handling. Here we are using try and catch. Catch is an exception handling. And next, system.out.println, which is used to output. System.out.println can't, if exception occurs means can't create because of exe. We have to print like that. Whatever we want we have to ping, but I have taken like this, and it will be stored in exe. Then private void sort, it is in function. Private means which cannot be accessed by anyone. And set layout, private void sort, it's a function. Then set layout, we have to know the border because we are using that set layout. New flow out. Button add, two buttons we have to use now. For that we are taken button add equals to new button add. And next button add dot add action listener this. Next text field, one text field for input and another text field for output. Text field input equals to new text field 10. 10 is an parameter or arguments which are passed by us. And text field, another one is text field output equals to new j text field. J is nothing but Java applet, and j text field for 10 as arguments. Then we have to add text field input, and add button add, and we have to click on button add, and we have to add text field output, and here the main function start public void action and public void action performed action event E. Here we used action event because we are performing an event. For that we are using action event as E. And we have to set dot add text field input dot get text and text field input dot set text then text field output dot set text. One is for input and another one is for output. That is for output we are using text field output dot set text set to string, whatever it may be, string or character, string, character or numbers, whatever it may be. And here there are no, we have to run the file, and we have to run the file. Here the name should be a whole part should be that one, and we have to run that file. Run file, or we can go by shift plus x6, and here there are no errors, and we have one pop-up window that is applet your whole part. Here I am adding 1 and 4. After 1 we get 4, so that it plays like that. Between 1 and 4 2 is there, and it's small a is after 1 2 3 4. If we give capital letter means it will come before the small letter and after the numericals. If we give small u means it will go to that last one. This is about whole part. Thank you.